Hello and welcome back, my beautiful subscriber. And today we are on to Hamster Kombat's daily combo card. So we're going to head over to it quickly without wasting much of your time. Let's dive in. Alright, the card that will give us these 5 million coins today. Let's head over to it. The first one is going to be under PR and team. So once you click on PR and team, this is PR and team, you're going to scroll down to blocking suspicious accounts. Right? This is blocking suspicious accounts, and you're going to tap it. All right, our first card has been dropped. You're going to tap it again. Head over, you still scroll down. The second card is still under PR and team, and it's called compliance officers. So we're going to tap it again and enter. And the last card we're going to head over to it is under special. So I'm going to click on special, and I'm going to scroll down a little bit to YouTube 25 millions. Then I'm going to tap on it like this and give it a time again, and then you have it. It says claim your prize, take your prize. All right, and we have another 5 millions today. So guys, turn on the bell notification so you can get notified tomorrow on, and stay tuned. See you next time.